You're gonna have to put red eyes for this.
So, how's the closet?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Who are you in there with?
Nobody. What? Maka, go away! No, you cannot interfere me in my lion time. I have the eye of the tiger.
What?
I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Hi, Maka.
Can you help me?
No, you can stay in there a little longer. I have things to do.